Hey guys, and welcome back to KB Decor Crafts. Today is just a quick video on how I made these adorable salt dough ornaments. Now what you'll need for this recipe is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of salt, and half a cup of water. I'll have down in the description below on a recipe on how to cut this in half. Also, make sure your oven is preheated to 200 degrees. You'll want to add the water in gradually as you continue to mix. You'll want this to turn out to a dough-like consistency. Once all of your ingredients are mixed in together, make sure you knead your dough really well. Have your cookie sheet lined up with parchment paper to make this easier to roll out. I have a small rolling pin that I used and I just added flour to it so it wouldn't stick to my dough. Now you can use any shape cutters or really just make any shapes you'd like, handprints, footprints. I decided to use some cookie cutters I got from Walmart, and I decided to play around with them to see which shapes I liked best, and this is what I came up with. Make sure you remove the excess around the cookie cutter before you lift it up so that way it's not still stuck, and I used a butter knife to just smooth out my edges better. And don't forget to create a hole to hang your ornament by using a straw and just poking a hole right through. Now go ahead and cut out as many shapes as you'd like. And don't forget to punch out your holes to hang your ornaments. By now your oven should be preheated to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Your ornaments will be baking for 2 hours and then drying for about an hour. Now you can go ahead and decorate them however you want. I had a little too much fun with these, but I really loved how they all turned out. A quick little tip, I do find that acrylic paint works best on these. I've used washable paints and those kind of just soak in. So if you can get the cheaper acrylic paints at Walmart and those work perfectly. And here they are all done. I got some inspiration from Pinterest and my own creativity. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I really hope you get some inspiration to make your own homemade ornaments or for gifting to others. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And please let me know in the comments down below what holiday traditions you'll be doing this weekend. I think I'll be making a gingerbread train with my son, so if you want to see how that turns out, don't forget to check me out on Instagram.